Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video you're going to need a bowl, 2 to 3 bananas, and you're going to mash them with whatever you choose to. I'm using a fork this time. I'm going to mash, and keep mashing. Now you're going to need another bowl. You're going to put the flour of your choice in, some salt, some baking powder and baking soda. Then you're going to put some cinnamon, not too much because cinnamon is not really good for you. Then you're going to need to mix that all together until it is mixed together well. Then you're going to make a well in the middle and put the banana inside. The next thing you're going to add is vanilla extract, some oil. I used olive oil. And you're also going to need, what else are you going to need? You're going to need some sugar and some walnuts. I would recommend you chopping the walnuts. I did not chop them. I tried to put them in a food processor and do that, but it didn't work out too well. Then you're going to mix it all together until it is well mixed, like I want to say cake batter, but not even really. Like muffin batter, bread batter. You know what it's supposed to look like, guys. Then you're gonna get you a pan after you finish mixing, a muffin tin pan, I don't know, and put the cupcake holders inside and put the muffin mix inside. Then you're gonna need to put it in the oven on 425 degrees for about 20 minutes, not 25, 20 minutes, so you do not burn it like I did in this next clip. So guys, it is time to eat the muffins, and I'm super excited. Okay, so I didn't put oil, or spray it rather, with so it didn't stick, so it's kind of sticking to it. So if you want to put some non-stick spray, then you go ahead and do that. I did not. I'm gonna get my baby some because she's hungry. It's hot, Hurley. I think he likes it, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is a wheat muffin, so it's kind of different. What I would do differently is add more sweetener because it's not very sweet. I only had 2 bananas. Hold on, Harley. And also chop the, it's nasty, Harley. It's not that good, y'all. Tweak it. If you would like to see more videos like this, just let me know down in the comments below. Like I said before, I'm not a chef. I don't really be cooking like that. I just try stuff I see on Pinterest and go for it. So if you want to see another video like this, then put it down below. And make sure that you like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.